Here we go, folks. Round two, Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Thanks for riding along. Look what we got here, 1940 Ford. I'm hanging in the shade so the phone doesn't blow up. This thing is really sweet, guys. A super badass build. We believe there's under 500 miles since it was built down in Southern California. It's got a 351 Cleveland in there. You know the Ford guys are going to be happy about that. Jet black paint. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. Looks like they're slotted. Intro rims. Got a nice look to it. Split back. It's got a deck lid. Did a nice job there. It's getting hot out here in Reading. Let's take a peek inside. Look at that. Beautiful leather upholstery. Just done right. Super comfy. We got power windows with the handle there. Got a sound system. Got some gauges here. Some aftermarket gauges. It's got a nice rumble. Cool steering wheel. He's got some extra rolls of the leather if you ever want to do anything. He's got some extra. Just a cool build. The only thing is that speedometer is not functioning. We think it's late 30s, early 40s, maybe GM, but it fit there. Looks to be aftermarket, but it's not plumbed in. And so he's using an app, so he knows how fast he's going. And he's got his auxiliary gauges down here. We got a radio, no glove box, got the fuse panel back there. The clock does not look like it's functioning, but it's got a serious rumble. It's got a beautiful interior. Looks like we got some speakers back here. V8, 351 Cleveland, 4-speed automatic, Ford AOD, and power windows. No AC, no AC. Take a peek in the trunk. Did a real nice job back here. Got the battery. Looked like there was an amplifier. Nice upholstery work. Nice carpet. Just a nice build. Great sound. Listen to that. Heat up the phone a little bit more. I took a bunch of stills of the 351 Cleveland, which was a real nice power plant. Ford folks are going to be happy with that one. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. That's what we do. We're taking this on consignment. My buddy Ray, you might remember I sold his brother's 69 Chevelle and went to Denmark. That was a good deal. Everybody was happy. Now I get a chance to shine with Ray. So make me look good. 40 Ford. Started out this morning with the 57 Ford. Then we went and looked at the fixed roof coupe, 99 Corvette. And now we're back with the Fords. 1940. 351 Cleveland. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. You can see my cars on Hemmings. ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics. Classic.com, and my own website. I'm ducking back into the shade here. It's heating up, Redding, California. We just came through our big car show, cool April nights. Weather kind of crapped out on Sunday, but it was a blast. I mean, cruises all week. I mean, it's just hot rod heaven. So anyway, you're looking for a 40 Ford. You want one that's built recently. You want one you can get in and go. You should give me a call. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. Platt Motors, a family legacy since 1931. And boy, Grandpa Dan would be proud. 40 Ford. Ray's a serious car guy. If you got any questions, feel free to call me anytime. If I don't know the answer, we'll reach out to Ray. We'll get it answered for you. But yeah, hey, let's get this one on a trailer and head to your garage. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. 40 Ford time. Today was a great day. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you riding along with us. And I look forward to talking to you real soon. I text too, but feel free to call me anytime. All right, thanks again. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.